Ready? 5, 6, grapevine right, you got it. 2, 3, left, 5, 7, take it back. 2, 3, left, right, left. Then we hold, step and hold, 4 steps. Touch, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Touch, turn it. And we go grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Take it back. Step left, right, left. Then we pose or hold, then 4 steps. Touch, right, left. Quarter turn, grapevine right. Take it left. Take it back, you got it. Just have fun. Step left, right. Step and hold, 4 steps. Touch, right, left. Grapevine. Take it left. Back. Step left, right. Step and hold, right, left. And touch, turn it, grapevine. Or you can turn it to the left if you want. Take it back. Left, right. Then we hold, 4 steps. Touch. Left side. Quarter turn, grapevine right. Left. Take it back. Left, right. Then we hold, 4 steps. Touch, you got it. If you're moving, you're doing it right. Grapevine. Take it left. Take it back. Do whatever you want with those arms. Doesn't matter. As long as you're moving. Touch. Left, quarter turn. Grapevine. Left. Woo! Take it back. Step left, right. Touch. Left side. Woo! Grapevine. Left. Take it back. Step left, right. Hold. Whatever you want. Touch. 1, 2, 3. Turn it. Grapevine. Take it left. Take it back. Take it left, right. Pose. Step. Touch. Left side last time. Yeah, very nice. I'm going to do it one more time without cueing. If you want to join me, here we go.